Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable automations for status updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Select the base that contains the data you want to automate. Navigate to the Automations tab on the top menu. Click on the Create an Automation button. You will see a blank automation setup screen. Start by naming your automation for easy reference. Next, click on Add Trigger to define the event that will start the automation. From the list, choose the trigger that suits your needs. For example, select when a record enters a view if you want a trigger based on record visibility. Customize the trigger by selecting the specific table and view. Now, click on Add Action to define what happens after the trigger. Select Update Record from the action options. Choose the same table where the record is located. In the Record ID field, select the record from the trigger. Now, set the fields you want to update, such as status or priority. Enter the new value for each field accordingly. After setting up the action, make sure to test it. Click on the Run Test button to ensure everything is configured correctly. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Finally, enable the automation by toggling it on at the top right corner of the screen. Your Airtable automation for status updates is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.